Okay, what was my heading today?
Diameter form.
Prove that the equation of circle in diameter form. That also may ask. For this, we have to make such a figure. Can you see this figure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And in this figure, what is the diameter?
AP.
AB is a circle. Here in given circle, diameter is AB having coordinate. What is the coordinate?
X1, Y1, X2,
Yeah,
Y2.
yeah. This is A as a x1, comma y1 is x1, y1, and B as a
X2, Y2.
B as a x2, y2. Now, what do we have to prove? We have to prove a equation, or we have to find an equation. Before this, what is this upper part of a circle divided by a diameter?
Semicircle.
Good, semicircle. And this semicircle, here you can see an angle. Can you see angle?
Called APB.
The angle is APB. And what is the value of angle? We should know.
90.
I don't know 90 or not. This was you. How many of them leave the class? This is my circle, and I wanna make it a diameter. This is the diameter on this circle. Circumference angle. If you try to move this point D, let's see this. Can you see 90 degree or not?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, tell me what is the diameter name on this circle?
BC.
Yeah, BC is a diameter. BC is a diameter. D is a point on circumference, and the upper part of circle is a what is called the upper part, half of the circle divided by a diameter is called, it's a semicircle, half of a circle. So on the semicircle there is a point D which is on a circumference. Let's see, whatever is small or big, no problem. Let's see this. Each points, can you see what the angle form on a semicircle?
90.
Yeah, it's a 90 degree. The angle form on semicircle is 90 degree. APB is a 90 degree angle. Yes or not?
Yeah.
Slope of AP multiplies slope of BP must be equals to what then?
Minus 1.
Why minus 1?
Perpendicular to each other.
Yeah, we have already learned on a slope topic that if the angle is 90 degree, then the product of slope is
Minus 1.
it must be minus 1 here. So how can we find the slope of P? How can we find slope of AP? Which formula we use? Tell me. Which formula if 2 point is given?
X2 minus Y1 by
Good.
or
We know slope of line if 2 point is given, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. In this figure, what is y2 mean? Ravi, you tell me please. What is y2 on AP? Y2 mean y, and this is y1. Y minus y1, and down is
X minus x1.
okay, good. X minus x1. X1. Yeah. Similarly for BP, tell me for BP.
Y minus y2.
Oh, good. Y minus y2 by x minus
X minus x2.
x2 equals to minus 1. Can you guess what you have to do now?
Multiply.
Yeah, obviously you have to multiply it now here.
Mul-
Let's see, just we multiply here. And what do we have to do next? Can you guess?
Multiply with -1 denominator.
Yeah, cross multiply. Minus y1 equals to, tell me.
Bracket x minus x1,
Yeah,
x
x
minus x2.
minus x1. Let's see, x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 equals to, what is left now?
0.
This is 0 left. This is your equation of circle on diameter form.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, let's do one example.
If the line joining points 2, 3 and -2, -3 is the diameter of a circle, find the coordinates. Find the equation of circle.
What are the points of circle, diameter of circle? Tell me. Minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2. That we have here. Okay, then x1, what do you can write? X1 mean 2, x2 mean
minus 2
minus
x minus
2,
minus
so
2
minus 2 minus 2 times. So directly can you write plus?
2.
Sorry. And what is y1 mean?
3.
minus 3
Y1 mean? Y1 mean 3, just 3. First point coordinate.
Just a
And
3.
y minus y2 mean?
plus 3
Okay, there is minus, so plus 3.
Now we have to multiply.
You have to multiply. So multiply this. What will be x multiply x mean?
x
Sorry,
square
sorry, it's in a square minus b square form.
Yeah, that also you can do. Is you getting? X minus 2, x plus 2 mean it is a x square. Directly we can write here.
Square minus 4.
It is now just you arrange the term. First you write x square, then y square, then is there any x? No x. Is there any y? No y. So minus 9 minus 4 mean minus
minus 13
minus 13. That's your answer. It's much easier answer.
is
Got
the
it?
required equation.
Okay. Is the required equation of circle. Okay. Understood this or not? I think other you can do now. Can you? Can I leave the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you need to copy this, I think already you have copied. Thank you. I have made video for this.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
put. I'll share it on. I'll keep you in YouTube also
Okay,
for
sir.
this formula. Okay. Thank you all this much for today. Thank you
Okay,
very
thank you
much.
so much.
Okay. Thank you all of you. Thank you this much for today.